In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align left in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly where the alignment tools live and how to make your cells look clean, consistent, and easy to read. Start by opening your sheet and clicking the cell you want to adjust. Selecting the cell tells Smartsheet exactly where to apply the formatting. If you've already typed something in the cell, that's fine. If it's empty, you can still set the alignment first and then add your content. Keep in mind that formatting only affects what you've selected, so be intentional with your click. If you happen to have a range of cells highlighted, Smartsheet will apply the alignment to all of them at once. Now, look up to the top of your screen at the toolbar. This is where you'll find the formatting controls. Among the icons, locate the alignment section. It's represented by a small group of horizontal bars, which is a visual cue for how text will sit inside your cell. The alignment section typically includes left, center, and right options side by side. Click the left alignment icon. The text in your selected cell immediately snaps to the left edge, giving it a tidy, consistent look. That's all there is to it. You haven't changed the data itself, only how it's displayed. This is especially helpful when you're working with labels, notes, or text-heavy columns that read more naturally when left aligned. If you've selected multiple cells or an entire column before clicking the icon, they'll all follow that same left alignment in one move. A couple of quick pointers to make this smoother. If your Smartsheet window is very narrow and you don't see the alignment icons, try widening the window or checking that the formatting toolbar is visible at the top. Also, alignment works alongside other formatting like font size, bold, and text wrap. If your text is wrapping to a new line inside the cell, left alignment will keep every wrapped line aligned to the left margin, which improves readability for longer entries. If you ever change your mind, you can switch to center or right the same way, or simply undo your last change. And remember, alignment is a visual preference. Use left alignment to create a clean reading flow, especially in descriptive columns or when you want consistency across your sheet. That's it. Select your cell, go to the toolbar, find the horizontal bars icon, and choose left. Simple, fast, and effective.